Welcome back, students. In this video, we will start exercise 5.1 of chapter 5, algebraic expressions. So question number 1 is, form algebraic expressions in the following cases using variables, constants, and arithmetic operations like plus, minus, multiplication, and division. So here for the first part, I have 1/4 of. How can we write 1/4? 1/4 can be written as 1 divided by 4. 1/4 of. Of means multiplication. So this is the multiplication sign. For instance, and for your convenience, I will be using x. So 1/4 of. The sum of means it will be written in mathematical form as multiplication. Okay, 1/4 of the sum of. So 1/4 of some value it is, I will be applying a bracket to simplify it. Easily समझने के लिए या simplify करने के लिए मैं एक bracket लगा रही हूँ. Sum of numbers A and B. Sum means addition. Addition of numbers A and B can be written as A plus B. So this is the mathematical form of this statement. 1/4 of the sum of numbers A and B. Now, next one is the number Y multiplied by itself. Y multiplied means we will be using a multiplication sign. Itself मतलब खुद से. Y खुद से multiply हो रहा है. So I will be writing it as Y multiplied by Y. That's it. Part 3, 1/3 of the product of A and B. 1/3 can be written as 1/3. 1/3 of means again multiplication. Now after multiplication, I have product of A and B. So I can use bracket for its simplification. Product means multiplication. Multiplication of A and B can be written as A into B numbers. Part 4 is number X and Y both squared. पहले हम उसको square कर लें. So X, square of X can be written as X raised to 2. Again, square of Y means Y raised to 2. The numbers X, again coming to the question, numbers X and Y both squared and added. इनका square करने के बाद में हमें इन्हें क्या करना है? Add करना है. So this is, we have simplified it. Part 5, number 3 subtracted from. Number 3 is subtracted from something. मतलब 3 minus के बाद में आएगा. So number 3 subtracted, I will be writing it as -3. 3 is subtracted from something. So it is subtracted from 4 times of X. 4 times means multiplication. So 4 times of X means 4X. 4X minus 3. Number 2 added to 3 times. So, okay, coming up to its mathematical form, number 2 added 2. मतलब किसी में add हो रहा है number 2. तो add हो रहा है तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? +2. किस में add हो रहा है? 3 times the product of P and Q. 3 times means 3 into product of PQ. I can write product of PQ as P into Q. P into Q. Or simply I can write it as 3PQ. I can write it without brackets also. Multiplication का sign है, इसलिए हम बिना bracket के, बिना multiplication के sign के से लिख सकते हैं. Similarly, this can be done in your थर्ड पार्ट ऑल्सो आप देखेंगे यहाँ पर 1/3 ए और बी तीनों मल्टीप्लीकेशन में थे, तो इन्हें बिना मल्टीप्लीकेशन और बिना ब्रैकेट के साइन के भी लिख सकते हैं. So it will be written as 1/3 AB. Now, coming up to part 7, sum of numbers x and y. So let us first write this, the sum of numbers x and y. How it can be written as? It can be written as x plus y. So what is happening to this sum? This sum is subtracted from. Subtracted from मतलब ये माइनस के साइन के पीछे चला जाएगा. Minus x plus y. It is subtracted from their product. Their means x और y की ही बात हो रही है, इनके प्रोडक्ट से माइनस हो रहा है. So product of x and y can be written as x into y or simply xy. So the mathematical form is xy minus x plus y. Product, part 8, product of numbers m and n. प्रोडक्ट ऑफ नंबर्स m और n को हम कैसे लिखें? mn, m into n लिखेंगे या mn लिखें? So we are learning algebraic expressions, इसलिए हम बिना मल्टीप्लिकेशन की साइन से लिखेंगे mn. The product of mn subtracted from means minus mn. ये किसी चीज में से माइनस हो रहा है, सब्ट्रैक्ट हो रहा है. It is subtracted from 5. तो हमने 5 को आगे लिख दिया माइनस की साइन के पहले. Well, part 9, twice the product of P and Q. Twice means 2 times. Product of P and Q means PQ. So 2 into P into Q means 2PQ. Twice means 2 times of product of P and Q मतलब P और Q का multiplication. Twice of product of P and Q divided by, यहाँ पे लगेगा डिविजन का साइन, divided by R. Part 10, 3/4 of. Now, part 10 has 3/4 of means 3 divided by 4. 3/4 of. Of के लिए हम लगा दें यहाँ पर एक ब्रैकेट सिंप्लीफिकेशन के लिए. 3/4 of x. 3/4 of x means ये 3/4 of x multiplied by, अगेन हम एक मल्टीप्लीकेशन का साइन लगाएं या दोबारा ब्रैकेट लगा दें, multiplied by the difference of, difference means subtraction, the difference of P and Q, but remember P is less than Q. अगर P Q से छोटा है तो Q पहले आएगा, Q minus P. So it can be written as 3/4 of x. ये मल्टीप्लीकेशन है, x एक ही वेरिएबल है इसलिए हम उसको बिना ब्रैकेट के भी लिख सकते हैं. So 3/4 of x ब्रैकेट में q minus p. So this is your question number 1. Now moving on to question number 2, write all the terms of each of the following algebraic expressions. We have been given expressions, algebraic expressions. We need to identify and write the terms. तो टर्म्स हम लोगों ने जो स्टडी किया है या पढ़ा है पहले वीडियो में, तो टर्म्स जो होती हैं प्लस माइनस की साइन के बीच में होती हैं विथ अ प्रॉपर साइन. तो आप यहाँ पर देखेंगे 3x plus 4y minus z. यहाँ पर हमारे पास में 3 टर्म्स हैं. 3x, इसका साइन पॉजिटिव है इसलिए हम केवल 3x लिखेंगे. नेक्स्ट टर्म इज 4y. 4y का भी साइन पॉजिटिव है इसलिए हम इसे बिना साइन के लिखेंगे. लेकिन z जो है, z की साइन नेगेटिव है, so the third term will be minus z. Part 2, x square minus 4xy plus 5. The terms are x square minus 4xy and 5. Part 3, xy minus 3x plus 10x square. The terms are xy. Next term will be minus 3x साइन के साथ में. The last term will be 10x square. इसकी साइन पॉजिटिव है इसलिए हम बिना साइन के लिखेंगे, सिर्फ 10x square. Part 4, 2ab plus 3bc minus 4cd. So the terms will be 2ab, 3bc minus 4cd. Part 5, x square y minus 4xy square minus 1. The terms are x square y minus 4xy square and minus 1. Try to solve the sixth part yourself. Part 7 of question number 2 is a plus b minus c. The terms will be a, b and minus c. Part 8, 3a minus 4b plus 5. So the terms will be 3a minus 4b and 5. Part 9, xy minus 3z square minus 10. The terms are xy minus 3z square and minus 10. Kindly try to solve part 10 by yourself. Next question is question number 3. Show the terms and factors by tree diagram in each of the following expressions. So for tree diagram, let us see the question. So the first part of question number 3 is AB minus 2CD. This is an expression. So I have written the given expression AB minus 2CD. This is an expression. Now I will divide or simplify this expression as terms. इसमें कितनी terms हैं? 2 terms हैं, AB and minus 2CD. So I have written them separately, AB and minus 2CD as the 2 branches of this expression. Now the terms will be further divided into factors. So AB, term AB has 2 factors, A and B. They will be acting as the 2 branch of AB. Minus 2CD has 3 factors, minus 2, C and D. So these are the 3 branches of term minus 2CD. This whole represents the tree diagram of the given expression. Part 2, minus 3x square y minus 3xy square plus 5. I have written the expression as it is. Simplifying this expression and writing them as terms, it has 2 terms, minus 3xy square and 5. So they too will be acting as the 2 branches of this tree. Coming up to individual terms, minus 3xy square. This can be written as minus 3 as one factor, x as another factor, y square can be written as y and y separately. So there are 4 factors in minus 3xy square. 5 will be written as it is a single number. Try to solve part number 3, that is 3ab square plus 2b. Part 4, 8x square y square minus 4y square. So I have written this expression and simplified it and written as 2 branches in the form of their terms. 8x² y² एक ब्रांच होगी, -4y² सेकेंड ब्रांच होगी. So the two terms of this expression are acting as the two branches. Now, in terms की भी branches अगर हम निकालें, तो 8x² y² can be written as 8. x² means 2 times x and x separately. Y² means y and y separately 2 times. -4y² will have the branches as -4. y² को अगर हम सिंप्लीफाई करके लिखें तो y 2 बार लिखाएगा. So these are the branches of -4y². This is your question number 3. Question number 4 is write all the factors of. So some terms are given here. We need to write the factors of these terms. So for writing all the factors, हमें सारे numbers और सारे variables को simplest form में अलग अलग करके लिखना है. Like part 1, 3xy. The factors are 3, x, y. Part 2, -4x² y. -4 is one factor, x² है मतलब 2 times हमको x लिखना है, x, and then y. Part 3, -xyz. -x, y, and then z. Part 4, 2a² b². 2 is a factor. A² means a, 2 times a. B² means b, p. So there are 5 factors in 2a² b². Try to solve part 5 and part 6 yourself. Moving on to question number 5, write down the numerical coefficient of each of the following expressions. Numerical coefficient means you just need to write the numbers that are associated in this expression. So the numbers that you can see is, for the part 1, 3x² minus 4xy plus y² minus 3. Here the numbers are, for the first term, it is 3. For the second term, it is -4 with sign. For the third term, as you can see, there is no number with y². So by default, it is 1. जब कोई नंबर मेंशन नहीं है किसी वेरिएबल के साथ में तो वहां पर 1 होता ही है. So for here, for y², the numerical coefficient will be 1. Sign positive है इसलिए सिर्फ 1 लिखेंगे. And lastly, -3. This is a constant term. इसमें वेरिएबल नहीं है, केवल नंबर ही है. Part 2 is 5a minus 3b plus 6. So the numerical coefficients are 5, -3, and 6. Try to solve part number 3 and part number 4 yourself. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.